If you are not in a right mindset, if we talk about trade, you will never be in a good state of mind to trade a trade. Commit and then to focus on why rather than how. But I think for sure I should focus on the journey rather than the destination.
I have made 70% return on my capitals.
Joining Malkan's view was the best decision of my life.
Very difference between old me and new me.
Hi, my name is Raksha. I'm doing my master's in philosophy and I'm 23 years old. So my dad, he's a broker and he introduced me to Vishal's program and I attended his live sessions online. But this is the first time I'm attending an offline session. I was already impressed by Vishal and Meghna's energy online, but here with everyone surrounding the vibe, the energy, it's buzzing. His knowledge is unlimited, right? We as a student, I'm just 23, I'm just starting off my trading career. So I have a lot of learnings. Just like he says every time, focus on the process, not on the profit. I think I'll take away that. Vishal sir focuses on the process, like I said. And my dad been here in this field, in this industry for 25 years. And he knows his ups and downs and he's always there to guide me. But he wants that guidance without any filter, without his past experiences, so that he can teach me without any filter. So I have also been meditating quite, like bachpan se hi I have been meditating a lot. And my dad, again, my parents are very spiritual in that way. And now I do it organically. So I know for sure that meditation and mindset in that way is very important. If you are not in a right mindset, if we talk about trade, you will never be in a good state of mind to trade a trade. The aha moment was, to be very honest, the speakers. Today was a personal because Jaya Kishori ma'am is from my school. She's also from Calcutta, from MB Girls, and I'm also from that school as well. So there's this personal connect, and I've been seeing her and following her journey since start. So yes. To commit, as Nair sir said, to commit and then to focus on why rather than how. Well, I've learned a lot. So it's very difficult to pinpoint one quality or one thing to take away. But I think for sure I should focus on the journey rather than the destination.